Hey, this is Darren. I'm a loop tech here at Horne Auto Center, the Chevy store that saves you more. And today I'm going to be talking to you about the importance of your tail lights, running lights, license plate lights. They're all important because they help traffic understand what you're going to be doing, whether you're slowing down, changing lanes. Today we're just going to be talking about how to check those and the importance of them. So back here on the back side, as you can see, here's the license plate lights, and then over here, this is your tail light. The first top one is going to be your brake light. This bottom or second one is going to be your turn signal, and this whiter one, or sometimes it can even be different, is your reverse light. Each one is important. The blinker obviously tells you which way you're going to be changing lanes, and your brake light tells traffic that you're going to be slowing down. Now the importance of them is whenever you have these out, it is a safety issue because then other traffic doesn't know where you're going to be going. So it is important to make sure to check them roughly on about a weekly or bi-weekly basis, just to make sure they're in a working operation so that other traffic knows what you're going to be doing. So down here, the license plate lights, you got two of them, one here, one here. Every vehicle is going to be a little bit different. Some of them they have where, not on trucks where they have them up here, but on some cars they're up above the license plate. Some have two, one here and here, that direct down onto the license plate, or some of them just have a single bulb. Now what that does is the light helps illuminate the license plate so that an officer, when they come in behind, they can just do a quick general check on your license plate, make sure everything on your vehicle is in working order, make sure that if it's like a stolen vehicle, you can report it stolen, and then just by the license plate they can be able to run it up and check just to make sure also for your safety. So if your license plate light burns out, it is pretty simple on most vehicles. On the truck here, for instance, all you got to do, come down, reach your hand back, and in a counterclockwise motion, undo your license plate light bulb, and there it is. They're pretty simple. All you got to do is just pop it out, pop your new one back in, and then you have two slits here that slide into the groove, tighten it back up, and you're done. How to check your brake lights, it's pretty simple. If you're just by yourself, you can just find like a blank wall, back up to it. You don't have to get too close, but you can generally see your brake lights. And these high mount third brake lights, they're a little bit harder against the wall. You can't normally see them. So if you're by yourself, just back against the wall, or just quickly ask a friend, like, hey, can you just check my brake lights real quick, and just make sure they're in full operation. If any of your tail lights happen to go out, they're pretty simple to change. All you got to do is pull your tailgate down. There are two screws on the inside, pull them out, and this pops out. Now, if you want to do this yourself, you can go ahead and go to your local parts store, or you can come right on down to us. We'll happily change it out for you. This is Darren down at Horne Auto Center, the Chevy store that saves you more. Please like, comment, and share, and we'll see you soon.